So we have developed this menu, admin menu, like what student add as well as student view and edit as well as delete. Like this we have completed all this particular operation successfully. Okay, delete means record will be deleted. Okay, the next menu item that we are going to work with is what? Companies. So when you click on the companies, whatever the companies that are enrolled in this website, that companies list should be displayed here. Okay, for that I am going to now explain how it is going to work. So what's the company database? Let me show you the database here. This is what university placements database. In this there is a table present called as what? Companies. Okay, so let me click on the browse this particular company. There are no records present because we have not created any registration for companies. Okay, so what I do is I insert some rows into this particular table. Let's say that insert I am going to write something. Company ID is what? Let me say that one. Company logo is, suppose, let's say that a dot png file. Okay, png file, let's say that png. Okay, png. Okay, png. Then right, let's say otherwise I say that Wipro. Okay, Wipro dot png file I write just. Okay, company name is what? Wipro. I'm going to add. The location is like Hyderabad. I'm giving one record here. Mobile number, some mobile number, random mobile number I give the mobile like what? Wipro @gmail.com. Actually this data is generated when you sign up by the companies in the project. Okay, company level is file level. URL is, let's say that http://www.wipro.com, something like. Okay, username is Wipro, password is 1 2 3 4 5, something like that. Register date, some register data I am going to give, some data I am going to give, right, like this, and go. So here you can see that one record is inserted and browse. Here I got the data. One record is enough. Okay, this particular record now I want to show whenever you click on the companies, which is very similar to student view. Okay, similar to this one, only we have to do it. Okay, so let me do this particular code in the Eclipse. Let me show you here, right. So in the src folder, okay, let me web app. Okay, in the admin folder I am going to open something called as menu. Okay, in the menu I am going to create what? Companies. Okay, in the companies here I am going to write what? View companies dot JSP. Okay, this file now I am going to generate. Let me say that I copy paste here, copy, and I add in the admin this particular admin folder. Okay, new and JSP file I am creating. The file name is the same file name I am giving, finish. Okay, and this particular code is very similar to that of view students code. Therefore view students code, control A, control C, and here I say what? View companies. Same code I am going to paste here, please. Okay, so what I am doing, view students code, whatever the view student code is there, that code I am copy pasting in what? View companies. Okay, here, right, same code. So save it. Now I am going to say that okay, okay, companies data. Okay, right, and everything is very same. Here I will get back here, here operations. So what are the columns that are present here? What are the columns? Company ID, company logo, okay, company name, location. So these particular variables I will take here. Okay, see, company ID, company logo. Okay, so here I write the first one is what? Company ID. Okay, similarly company logo, company name. Okay, this is what? Okay, company logo. Then company name. See, next one, location, mobile, email. Okay, location, see, mobile, then what? Email. So I am creating the column headings. Okay, company level, URL, username. Okay, company level. Okay, company level. Next one is URL. Next one I copy paste here. Okay, let us see this one. I remove here. Right. Then username. Okay, URL, username, password, register date. Okay, password means I copy here 1 2 3. Okay, company name, password, then register date, okay. This password also I write it, but password actually we should not show. Password is not recommended to show, but I am writing all the fields, okay. Password, register date, right, completed. So these are the columns that I have written here. So this is what let me go with the indentation, right. This is fine. Now the JDBC connection we are getting, everything is very same. Now we have to write the query. What the query? Select star from what? Companies. That's it. Companies is the table name. Okay, companies is the table name. So you see, select star from companies. This is our companies. Okay. If you are interested, instead of star, you can write the variable names also, like company, company ID, okay, comma, company name, company name. Like this also we can write the column names, but so many columns are present, therefore it is recommended to use what? Star. No problem. Okay, right. Now what are the records that I have to show here? That records we have to go with. Okay, so edit company, please edit. I write here edit company. If anything is there, you can modify the company details, like, okay, like edit company.jsp, and we write here, we pass the company ID. This one I have explained the previous case. Company ID. This company ID we are going to pass here also, like company ID. Okay. Similarly, Control C. Here I am going to paste it. Here also I am going to paste it. No, here. For this we have tried the code later on. Okay. This is what we called as company delete. Let's say that. Company delete.jsp. Okay, right. Then what are the columns that we have tried, please? First column is, from here also you can see, this is the column names. Okay, so first one is company ID, second one is company name, the column names which are present over here, please. Company ID, company logo, second one, please. Company logo, okay, logo. Then we are going to write here company name. Okay, company name. Next, what we want to get? A location, mobile, email. Okay, location. Here I am going to retrieve location. Okay, location. Next one is mobile. Next one is email. Okay, email, location, mobile, email, company level. So this is company level. Okay, company level, URL, username. So this particular image, okay, image we have to actually project over here, please. Okay, here we have to write actually. Okay, this is uploads, not uploads, like uploads only. Uploads, here it is company, okay, logo. Okay, this is company pic. Right, when we come to here, this is not required over here, please. I remove. Okay, this one not required. This comment also I remove here, and password is however there. Yeah, I copy paste this email once again. Okay, so after company level, what the next one is? After company level, what's the next column? Company level, URL, username, password. Okay, so here I am going to give URL. Okay, next column is what? What is happened here? Okay, Control V. URL. Next one is what? Username. Next one I am going to copy paste, and here it is what? Password. Password is already present. Okay, URL, username, password, registration date. Okay, registration date. Here I should get registration date here. Control V. So what is that? Is register date. Okay, so register date. That's it. All columns I have written. Okay, so better you maintain some indentation, and here also I am going to delete it. Okay, so better we make some indentations. Proper indentation is required. Okay, right, this is what happens. Close. Okay, that's it, and everything is very similar. Okay, very similar, but you have to change this. Student means company, student means company, like this you have to make it. Okay, right, but let me show you the execution now. So I refresh it. Already we have given the link for this particular menu item. So when I click on the companies, okay, I got the data. Okay, but email, this why it is giving the error here. So is outside of valid range. Mobile is outside of valid range. Okay, what's the problem with this one? Let us understand here. Okay, here I am going to, sorry, where it is, yeah, code. What is happening with this? You see the data types. Okay, company ID, okay, string, okay, this is what mobile is also varchar only. Okay, therefore get string, and company level is integer. Actually company level is integer. This is what integer column. You can see from here, see all are varchars except company ID and what, company level. Okay, date column also you have to retrieve as a get string only, get a string only. Okay, so get company ID and company level integers, and remaining things are what, strings. Clear? Right, now I am going to refresh this one. See, I got the data. Got it? I got the data. This is what happens with it. Okay, right, fine. Now what we go here, this is now placements also, placements and logout. We will see this particular thing, 2 items later on. So this is what we have completed: add student, view students, companies also we have seen. Okay, now I am going to create one companies sign up page like that. Okay, so logout means we are getting back to index page we are getting back. Okay, so login company. So now this particular thing I have to implement. So login company we have to log in, right? Let us see how it can be done. Okay, so this we'll continue in the next video, please. Okay.